Welcome to join my channel EdutechEdea. If you are a IT professional, fresher or experience not matter, you need to you have to upgrade your skills day by day for your career growth. So you need to a platform. If you are a fresher, you can or experience, you can go to the Simply Learn website and where you can uh, check here the multiple courses as per your field and select the courses and learn from the Simply Learn and take the exam, get the certificates for your career growth. You can see here multiple courses available in the Simply Learn like data science and business analyst, AI and machine learning, project management, cyber security, cloud computing, DevOps, business and leadership, quality management, software deployment, agile, Scrum, IT and architecture, digital marketing, big data. So you can simply search here. If you want to select certification of ITIL, if you want to certified ITIL certification required, so you can select add the certification ITIL. It's searching here. You can the ITIL for foundation. That is the beginning level of certification. If you done this certification, if you get the certificate of ITIL for foundation, your salary will be increased 15% for percent. So you can just simply select the particular courses as per your profile and learn and get the certificate. I have already enrolled this certificate for ITL for foundation, and you can see here the Simply Learn provide the live classes, self-learning, and exams conduct through the people cert. And if you crack the exams, then you get the certificate from the people cert Excelos websites. Okay, so you can check here the live classes provided by Simply Learn. It's opening now. Then you have a query raise. What is the uh, course fees of this particular program? So you can, if you click here, the you can find out the what is the fees and what is the area. You can see here the solution of architect. If you get the certificate, your designation will be solution architect, service delivery management, ITSM management, system management, and annual salary. You can see here the average source glass by Glassdoor. So you can check here online bootcamp 27,499, and if you self-paced learning 25,990. But if you learn from my invite or from my invite, then you get the 20% off of for this course. I given the link a referral link in my video description if you want to uh, learn this course and certification required. Then you can click here the refer link and you can get the 20% off of for your certification. But its fees now 27,499. So if you goes with my referral link, you can get this certificate like 20 or 21,000. So here you can the self-learning programs exams conducted by the Simply Learn. If you crack the exams, you get the certificate from the for the ITL from the people cert. So friends, if you interested, please enroll. And if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.